Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vladimir Delfos, back with another vlog on my channel. And right now, guys, right in front of you guys is this, and I'm slurring my speech, but they're currently doing construction on one of the roads. If you don't believe me, I'll gladly zoom in. See? And this whole area right here is completely blocked off. You can't go, you can only go this way. This direction. You can't go that way. And they're doing some construction. I don't know what it is. They're probably installing pipes or something. I'm not 100% sure. And this guy over here, like, this guy with this bulldozer. He just turned down that road. And you guys are probably thinking, okay, is there any more interesting things you're gonna show us? Well, actually, yeah, right? I think, yeah, it's right here down this road. Yeah, it's down this road, I remember. I've been down that road enough. Down here, guys, they are doing some other construction. They're installing some pipeline, or they're installing some, I'm not 100% sure what they're doing. Actually, I think they're installing fire hydrants, and they're also installing some other interesting stuff. Oh crap, never mind. I gotta move over because there's a school bus right behind me dropping off little ones, or dropping off kids. You don't believe me? And there's this, I know what this guy's doing. Hey dude. It gets dark early, so I'm doing this video early because of the daylight. You guys can easily tell the construction starts right here. Okay, this bus is coming, so I'm gonna just hold off because this bus is coming. Alright, we're good. Just waiting for the school bus to pass. I didn't want to be a pancake. Actually, yeah, the construction kind of starts right here and it goes down over there. I hope you guys had a good day at school. To be brilliantly honest with you guys, I miss my girlfriend Brittany. For some reason, it's only been 1 year already since I broke up with her. And I don't know what, I'm trying to think. She was a little crazy in the head, but she meant well. It was just time for me to let her free, let the birds fly. So, I think this is the construction, I think. I think. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it. I think, yeah, I was past that sign already. Yep, I was also past that. Yep, this is it. Yeah. I don't know how long this construction's been going on. It's probably been going on for maybe about a week, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3. I don't know. And I don't know when they started. Last year. I'm gonna go on the other side of the road, so I'm not blocking the road. Yeah, guys, the construction, you can easily tell right in front. The construction starts over here. I was just checking behind me, there was nobody. They're doing something. I don't know what they're doing because they have the excavator, they have their little trailer, work trailer, and road cleaner, dumpster, porta potty. This is a lot of equipment they're carrying with them. I'm just gonna step out of the road so I'm not gonna get squished. Hey. Hi, dogger. They have 2 generators. Nobody's coming, so I'm just gonna be right behind these.